Hello Kbum users, this tutorial shows you how to extract a commenter's ID. Firstly, log on with your account and get the post ID you want by clicking right click on the comments, pick up the ID like shown in the video, paste it and click add. Now click start and let it count the IDs. Now we're getting the all ID we want, all the commenters on the posts. You need to know it just depends on your internet and connection. After we are done, right click and save. Write your file name, click save. Let's pick up random ID to know if it belongs to the commenters or not. Let's pick this ID. I will just copy and paste it after facebook.com/, let's see, this one of the commenters on the post. Now we are done.